you turned into a mermaid! Wow! How did you become a mermaid?
Fish bite me like this, and I turned into a mermaid.
No! Oh my gosh, we need to put you in water! What do mermaids eat? Did you eat all day, mermaid? Maybe. I know. I'm gonna get you something to eat, okay? Okay, mermaid. Okay, mermaid, I got you ice cream.
Oh no!
What? Mermaids don't eat ice cream? Let's see what mermaids eat. Does mermaid like juice box? Mermaids don't like juice box either? Okay, mermaid, do you like an apple?
Do you like fish apples like that? I like that.
Okay. I think I know what mermaid is going to love. Look what I got, mermaid. Do you like chocolate-covered bananas, mermaid?
Yes.
Okay. Here you go, mermaid. We're gonna wash mermaid's hand. Here you go, mermaid. We're gonna wash your hands. Hold your hands aside, mermaid. Wash them.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, mermaid made a mess. Do you like it, mermaid?
Yummy.
So yummy.